Hey guys, this is the Range Rover Autobiography. Today we'll be doing a review on this car. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribed so you can see more videos like this. Let's get started. The interior of this car is really nice. It's cream interior with black center console. Really simple and minimalistic display. Got some cup holders over here too. And the Range Rover badge. When you switch the car on, this thing comes up so you can select the gear. You can change the off-road settings over here. This is to switch on and off the traction control. This is the electronic parking brake. It's all digital dash by Range Rover. Really beautiful leather steering wheel. Good quality. You can control the infotainment system using this. You've got a Range Rover badge, airbag and the horn. This is the infotainment system. You can control it using this. Got the ambient lighting, and you can choose the colours. So blue, you can keep red. In the night it looks really good. You've got the 360-degree cameras. Got the navigation system. Got the air vents. And this is the start-stop button. Put your key over here, and when you press the button you can start it. You can press to go home. Got the audio settings. Change the brightness. It's a really responsive touchscreen, really good quality. You can go on which song you want to keep. Press this to go home. Go home again. When you lift this, you got some storage space. Sorry, I won't say storage space, but it's kind of like an armrest. Leather quality, leather everywhere. There is some storage space over here. It's like a mini fridge, so you can put like a water bottle or something. It keeps it cool. Close that. It's got a SIM input, HDMI and 2 USB inputs, and like a charging port. The passenger seat is also really nice. Loads of space. Overall, this car just feels so spacious, because obviously it's a 4x4, but the Autobiography is just amazing. The height is amazing. I mean, you definitely would not feel claustrophobic in this car. Got the mirrors. Got like a little mirror over here, lights up. Close it. You can switch it off. We've got the gear shifters, aluminium, really good feel. This is a shift down, and this is the shift up. Also got the seat memory settings and the lock and the unlock button. It's just overall, the finishing is second to none in this car. And you've got some storage space over here. You can put water bottles and extra stuff like that. And speakers. See the Evoque in my mirror. It's got the Autobiography wheels, which look really good. LED lights. Huge exhausts. Autobiography badge. Let's jump into the passenger seat. I must say it feels really nice at the back. Got my panoramic sunroof for the passenger and the driver. Feels so spacious. The legroom in this car is amazing. Got some more storage space as well. You keep books and other stuff. Finishing is so nice, literally leather here. And you got air vents. You can even control how much air goes in, control the temperature. Absolutely beautiful. Tinted windows. Got the Range Rover Velar next to me, which also looks really nice. I've also done a review on that, so if you want to go on my channel you can look at that. I think this cream looks really nice. I'll definitely get it in this spec if I were to get it. The seats are also really nice. It's cream leather, perforated. You've also got that new car smell. Got more space at the back. Panoramic sunroof. The infotainment system. Got the huge Range Rover grille, all blacked out.